Welcome to New Car Latest Update. The 2025 Proton Saga Motorhome is here, and it's an exciting evolution of Proton's trusted compact sedan. This unique model combines the dependability of the Proton Saga with the flexibility and adventure-ready design of a motorhome. It's built to take you from everyday city drives to unforgettable road trips, offering an accessible way to explore without sacrificing comfort. From the outside, the Proton Saga Motorhome stays true to the Saga's familiar shape but has been modified for added space and functionality. The roof has been raised to provide extra headroom, while the rear extension gives it a true motorhome feel. Proton has kept the design sleek and aerodynamic, which is essential for fuel efficiency, one of the main reasons the Saga has remained popular for years. With bold lines and a sturdy frame, this motorhome strikes a balance between style and ruggedness. LED lighting, a refined grille, and stylish alloy wheels make it visually appealing, whether on the highway or at a campsite. Now let's move inside. Despite the Saga's compact dimensions, the motorhome version is ingeniously designed to maximize every inch of space. Upon entry, you'll see a well-planned layout that's cozy yet functional. The cabin features seating that can quickly convert into a sleeping area, comfortably accommodating two people. Proton has used high-quality materials to ensure durability and a comfortable feel, and the seats are covered in easy-to-clean upholstery, which is perfect for those who plan on taking this vehicle on rough terrain or through varied weather conditions. The kitchenette is compact yet fully functional, equipped with a mini fridge, a 2-burner stove, and a small sink, everything needed to cook basic meals on the road. It's designed for convenience without taking up too much space. Next to the kitchen area, there's built-in storage for utensils, cookware, and some dry food supplies. This thoughtful layout keeps the essentials within reach and adds to the overall practicality of the motorhome. One of the most impressive aspects of the Proton Saga Motorhome is the bathroom setup. Although space is limited, Proton has managed to fit a compact, wet bath-style bathroom with a small toilet and shower combination. It's a huge bonus for a motorhome of this size and price, allowing users to maintain comfort and hygiene even in remote locations. The bathroom is fitted with water-saving fixtures, which is ideal for off-the-grid adventures where water conservation is key. In terms of technology, Proton has outfitted this motorhome with a smart infotainment system that supports navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and media streaming. The dashboard features a digital display that provides real-time data on everything from speed to fuel efficiency, and it also has an integrated control panel for managing the motorhome's internal systems, like lighting, water levels, and battery life. The vehicle's energy systems are designed with sustainability in mind, featuring solar panels on the roof to power essential appliances when parked away from hookups. This setup gives owners the freedom to stay off-grid longer and helps reduce the environmental footprint of their travels. Under the hood, the Proton Saga Motorhome is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.6-liter engine, optimized to carry the added weight of motorhome components while still delivering. Thanks for watching.